Hello guys, how are you doing today? I'm Vinicius Alves and this is Grade Time 2, Unit 7. Let's start our class with a picture that I found that it's really interesting. So, this is the picture, alright? Then I have here some questions for you. What's going on in this picture? What do you see that makes you say that? And what more can you find? So it is good if you think about all the details that you can see in this picture and try to describe it. You can consider some points like, are those people caring about something? What about the environment? Okay, what can you see? You can see the ocean, you can see a beach place, you can see people with summer clothes. What about the quality? Okay, so maybe they have some issues with the sand, the quality of the sand, and people cannot swim there, cannot use the place, okay? And the appearance. In the background, you see some people with different appearance, and then over here we have a family that seems to be like a tourist family checking what they have in the sand. Okay, so try to answer those three questions on your own using some vocabulary related to these words here. All right, let's check some answers from people. So the first person is J. Clayton. We don't need to read everything, but just the first part for you to have an idea what can be done and what words people use. So J. Clayton said, I think this picture shows scientists doing an experiment. So most probably, if you come back here, you can see some scientists make an experiment. Let's check Natalie. She said, I think this might be a group of scientists taking samples from the beach. So maybe they are taking some samples from the sand to analyze them later. So this is kind of a mystery. And the third one, Bertha Baby. Based on the clothing that the people inside the caution tape are wearing, it is assumed that they are scientists studying the sand. So also Bertha thinks that they are scientists. And you, what's your idea on this picture? Maybe you also can write a paragraph trying to describe this picture, alright? So now let's take a look on the real comment for that. So this is a picture from the New York Times, okay, from June 24th, 2010, okay? And then we have here the David Martin was the photographer, alright? And here we have the description. The original caption reads, as this is a caption from a newspaper, you don't have to understand everything. You can read it the first time and then check keywords. And with these words, you can come up with a conclusion. So here we have Christian, okay, Christian Derner of Pace, Florida, most probably the place where they are, leaning across police tape to take pictures of oily sand. So he's near the police tape, okay, that yellow tape. He's taking pictures of the sand that is very oily, full of greasy oil, during a vacation with his girlfriend and daughter. So we have three people taking pictures of oily sandy. Then we have officials, so like people from the government, closed the public beaches in Pensacola, Florida, as oil from deep water horizon explosion washed ashore. So we had an explosion in the beach, okay, and then we had oil spreading around all the sand. So this is the caption for that picture, okay. I think it was quite intriguing when you have something like this. Let's move on to our books on page 67, okay? Then we have this section here. Think values, caring for people and the environment. So as we could see also on that picture, we had the environment. So match the values in the list with the sentences in the speech bubbles. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 speech bubbles. And then we have to write A to D in the boxes. So A, B, C, and D. Let me see if I can go to the answer place. Alright, so here we have the speech bubbles, okay, and some values. Caring about the environment, caring about the quality of your work, caring about your appearance, caring about other people. So, the water in a lot of rivers and lakes is not clean. So what do you think for this one? Most probably caring about the environment. I need to wash my hair. It's dirty. So this is caring about the appearance. Are you feeling cold? I can give you my sweater. So this is caring about other people. And can you turn off the radio, please? Can you turn off the radio, please? I'm doing my homework. So this is caring about quality of your work. So let's check. Yes, it's correct. Okay, so let me go back. That's it for now. I hope you have enjoyed the picture activity today. Bye bye.